Hi, welcome to today's class. Today's lesson will be about the simple present tense. So, what is the form of the simple present tense? The simple present tense is in the base form of the verb, except for the third person singular, he, she, it, which take an S. Examples: people gain confidence through understanding themselves. The verb in bold is in the simple present and is the base form of the verb. Example 2. Bravery depends on confidence. The subject bravery is third person singular, so the verb depend takes an S. Miss Smith teaches English. Add ES to verbs ending in double S, CH, SH, O, X, or Z. The coach tries to help his students with poor self-esteem. Change the Y to I and add ES to verbs ending in a consonant and Y. So the main verb was try, T-R-Y. We change the Y into I and we add an ES. If the main verb is be, insert not to form the negative and reverse the subject and the verb to form the interrogative. So in the affirmative, that is a good pizza. In the negative, all we have to do is insert not. That pizza is not good. In the interrogative, we reverse the subject and the verb to form the interrogative. Is that a good pizza? Use the helping verb do or does to form the negative or the interrogative. In the affirmative, we have the following sentence: bravery depends on confidence. To transform it into the negative form, all we have to do is use does for verbs ending in S and use not after does since it's negative. It does not have anything to do with confidence. In the interrogative, we also use does for verbs ending in S. Does bravery depend on confidence? The form of the interrogative will be does or do plus the subject plus the main verb. The simple present tense is used to express a habitual or regular action. He wakes up to school every day. 2. To state a general fact or an opinion. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Your motivation depends on your self-esteem. 3. To express a scheduled future action. The assignment is due on Monday. The simple present tense is also used to replace the present progressive by non-progressive verb. Now, I realize the importance of education. 2. Replace the future in a time clause. When you are confident, you feel brave and ready to face whatever comes your way. To replace the future in the conditional clause, type 1. If you have knowledge, you will find everything interesting. Note: frequency adverbs such as always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, seldom, scarcely, and never are used with the simple present tense to express how often something happens. They often come before an action verb, but after verb be. I usually shop for groceries on Sundays. He is often late for work. The following 2 slides includes a practice that covers the simple present tense. All you have to know is the use of the simple present tense and how is it formed in the affirmative, in the negative, and in the interrogative. And this will help you solve easily this practice. On this slide, you have the answers key for the practice, but don't peek at it until you finish it yourself, and you can use this answer keys to compare your answers to the correct answers. Thank you for joining today's class.